Welcome back to Pharmalytics, your trusted source for all things pharmaceutical. In today's video, I'm diving into one of the most crucial regulations for pharmaceutical companies, EU Annex 11. EU Annex 11 is part of the European Union's Good Manufacturing Practice Guidelines. It specifically focuses on the use of computer systems in regulated environments, which is essential for ensuring data integrity, reliability, and security. Whether you're managing production, quality control, or compliance in a pharmaceutical setting, Annex 11 lays down the standards for ensuring your computer systems are validated, secured, and compliant with EU regulations. Let's break down the key principles of Annex 11 and what they mean for your organization. First, let's talk about system validation. Annex 11 emphasizes that all computerized systems used in GMP-regulated environments must be validated. This means the system must consistently produce reliable and accurate results. Second, data integrity. The regulation requires that the data generated, stored, or processed by these systems must remain complete, accurate, and unaltered. This ensures that every piece of data is traceable and reliable. Third, security and access control. Systems must have secure user authentication to protect sensitive information. Only authorized personnel should have access to critical data. Lastly, audit trails. Every action performed in the system, such as data entry or modifications, must be logged with timestamps. This provides transparency and ensures accountability for every operation. Now that we've covered the principles, let's take a look at the compliance requirements under EU Annex 11. Pharmaceutical companies must ensure that their computerized systems are regularly validated and continuously monitored. This includes documenting the validation process, maintaining system updates, and ensuring that backups are regularly taken. Additionally, companies must maintain a robust training program for employees who interact with these systems. Training ensures that your team understands the regulations and uses the system correctly. Remember, these requirements apply not only to manufacturing systems, but also to systems used in quality control, laboratory environments, and any other GMP-regulated areas. You might also be wondering how EU Annex 11 compares to the FDA's 21 CFR Part 11. Both regulations focus on computerized systems, but there are key differences. Annex 11 specifically applies to the EU and is more prescriptive about certain processes, whereas Part 11 is broader and applies to the United States. While both regulations have similar requirements for system validation, security, and audit trails, understanding both sets of guidelines is crucial for global pharmaceutical companies. So why is Annex 11 so important? Well, it helps ensure that data integrity and system reliability are maintained throughout the life cycle of a product, from development to manufacturing and distribution. With stringent controls over electronic systems, Annex 11 helps prevent costly mistakes, regulatory violations, and most importantly, ensures the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. Compliance with Annex 11 is not just about meeting regulatory standards. It's about building trust in your processes, ensuring the highest level of product quality, and keeping your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Pharmalytics, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions about EU Annex 11 in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, stay compliant, stay informed.